oops, hit the wrong button. Had to go on pause because I got a phone call. Came back to the wrong button and oops, I was about to redo the whole video. So let's just finish it up in the oops one. Let's start over again. Again, how to do a regression with Excel. So again, we have the data. So let's highlight the data. And we're going to want to use, again, insert specifically a scatter chart. Okay, so there's a scatter chart, and I'll let you worry about the titles. Let's go and adjust as needed. Do a trend line. Okay, so plus trend line, and that gives us the regression line. Go and do the arrow, more options. I want the equation and my R-squared displayed. That's pretty much all you're going to do. Let's move it. If we want more decimal places, hovering over the box, notice the double arrows, pulls up a adjustment box. I want to do numbers, and I want to do, let's go nuts over here, 8 place values. So here's our regression. So here's our equation. As the earlier, here's the slope, and there is the y-intercept, and here's R squared. R squared we'll talk about later, but what we're going to be looking for in this lesson plan is just what R is, and we'll find that by making a quick equation. And I want the square root, that's QRT, square root of what? Square root of R squared. And that'd be 0.880500, actually 0009, close parentheses, equal. Okay. And here we have our R value, 0.933835, which is basically the same thing we got up here. They got slightly different, but it still accepted this value in the MyMathLab solution. All right. So Excel, you gotta love it. I do. Has a lot of power to it. A lot of opportunity, a lot of ways of doing different calculations, and it's common on a lot of people have Excel on their computers. And if I haven't mentioned before, which I know I have, NWTC has Excel 1, Excel 2. They'll teach you all this stuff with Excel. Alrighty. That is the completion of the questions. Interesting. So with that in mind, okay, we go. Okay. With that in mind, we have now completed 8D preview. Now I can do the 8D workbook tutorial using Stephanie's video. So do the workbook, make a PDF copy, submit it, and do your practice assignment, and we'll be done with chapter 8 then, or lesson 8, 8D. So good luck.